Feeling like your workflow is slow or repetitive? Yeah. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It can actually help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. In this guide, I'll show you how to boost your workflow using ChatGPT in 2026. Start by listing repetitive tasks, things like emails, meeting notes, report summaries, or social media posts. These are perfect for ChatGPT to help streamline or automate. Create reusable prompts or templates for common tasks. For example, have a prompt for weekly reports, email replies, or content drafts. Templates save time and keep results consistent. Instead of asking ChatGPT to do everything at once, split tasks into smaller steps. For instance, first generate a draft, then refine it, then format. Step by step prompts improve efficiency and reduce errors. Combine ChatGPT with tools like Google Sheets, Notion, or Zapier. You can automatically generate reports, summaries, or content without manually typing everything. Save time by asking ChatGPT to create multiple options at once, whether it's headlines, emails, or captions. Having choices up front lets you pick quickly instead of rewriting. If the output isn't perfect, refine it with follow-up prompts. Ask ChatGPT to simplify, shorten, or change the tone. This reduces manual editing and keeps your workflow smooth. Keep a library of proven prompts for tasks you do often. Reusing successful prompts turns ChatGPT into a personal workflow assistant and saves hours. And that's it. Identify repetitive tasks, use templates, break tasks into steps, automate where possible, and refine with follow ups. Follow these strategies, and you'll boost your workflow efficiency with ChatGPT every day.